An update video on our kefir grains, and I want to say, to people who are thinking about getting grains from us or have been thinking about getting kefir grains, this is a really great time. It's the um, Thanksgiving Day weekend here in 2009, and for our kefir grains, they've never looked better. Our kefir grains are just in really good shape. They're growing really quickly, and they're producing just phenomenal, creamy, rich kefir, and the kefir grains are just strong and healthy. And so, for people who are thinking about or have been thinking about getting some of these grains, this is the time to do it. Um, I've never, like I said, I've never seen them look better. They have Kefiran. Kefiran's is sort of, it looks sort of like spider's webs of milk that comes up when you lift the Kefiran. It's a little bit hard to see in the video when you lift the kefir up, and it sort of stretches back down to the strainer. Uh, but the first time I saw Kefiran, I thought it was the slime, and I thought that there was some kind of problem with the kefir. Then we did some research on it. We found out that it was actually a good thing. Uh, so like I said, the kefir, they go through phases, kefir grains, and they're just in really good shape right now. There's always ups and downs. It's a living organic process, and I don't know whether, if the pH changes in the milk or the quality changes in the milk or the temperature, the room temperature, which is affects how quickly the kefirs, the milk turns into kefir, as well as there are other factors like, if you have too many kefir grains for not enough milk, or you leave the kefir grains in there too long and the kefir gets over kefired. Uh, but right now we just have a really good balance. The kefir grains are growing really quickly. They're producing really great kefir. They're strong and healthy. So we've been offering people kefir grains. We've been sharing, just basically our personal kefir grains that they grow. So um, we can usually supply one or two orders a week. We ask for a $20 donation for expenses and all the care and time we put into tending to the kefir grains and of course shipping. Uh, but right now the kefir grains are growing so quickly we could actually fill a lot more orders. And like I said, it's a great time to people to get kefir. Um, from us because it's just the grains are in really good shape. We always get compliments on our grains. Our grains are always we think we feel like we have really good kefir grains. Everyone who's gotten kefir grains from us has said that they've bought them from other people, and like it's different kind of situation. They've gotten kefir grains from other people, and they're just not the same quality or whatever. So we've been happy with our grains. We feel like they've been really great over the years. It really produces great kefir and so forth. Um, but yeah, like I said, I've been really impressed. My wife and I are just, one day we both looked at each other and, we were both thinking the same thing. And I said, the kefir's been really great. And she said, yeah. And, we all take turns um, doing the kefir, straining the grains and pouring the kefir off. And we both noticed, and, the kids were drinking it like crazy. I mean, it just has a really good quality to it. It just feels rich and nourishing and a really good quality. So it takes a long time. You have to learn. It's like livestock or a garden. I mean, it's a living process. So you have to learn how to manage your grains. And after so many years, I think we've been doing this for about 2, 3 years. I don't even know how long. And this is we just right now we have just really great grains. So the kefir is, like I said, thick and rich, and just it's just got a great quality to it, and it gets a little bit sour if you leave the kefir grains in there too long, or if there's too many kefir grains to milk, or whatever it is. It can get sort of lumpy, and it's just not so great. It's hard getting down, and it's more like a medicinal has medicinal properties. It's like taking some medicine. But right now, it's just really for us, it's just really great to drink. Um, so yeah, that's it for this video. Um, if we have any more developments, I want to show people how to make kefir mascarpone cheese from Dom's recipe, and some of the other things that we've done with kefir over the years. Eventually, we'll get around to that. Um, but like I just want to let people know this is a good time for kefir. I don't know how long they'll stay this way, or if this is just a level of kefir grains we've reached, and it's just going to keep on going on. I don't know, but right now we know that our kefir grains are in really great shape.